Right, so I'm out here today on a local track with my 1998 Land Rover Discovery 1 just to do a little trial for the Eaton Truetrac LSDs that I've got installed in the front and the rear. The reason I went this way instead of lockers is just sort of for easy use, sort of set and forget operation, and also probably more importantly just to have a little bit less stress on the drivetrain. If you're quite aware with how strong or weak the axles are on these things, once you sort of get into the realm of lockers, you really need to upgrade with heavy duty axles and drive flanges, etc. So yeah, I'll do some filming in some areas where I think the Truetracs are doing a bit of work, and yeah. So yeah, a very good example of how the Truetracs won't get you up everything. So I decided to take a little bit of a more flexy line, and as you can see, once the car sort of flexed out and lost traction on diagonal wheels, it's a demonstration of how a bit of left foot braking will still get you up something if there's still enough traction, which I've tried a little bit and seems to work rather well. So I reckon these LSDs are pretty good.